Hello epic people, this is the Zeapon Micro 2 micro rail slider. This is not the automatic one, this is where you have to like push it in order to move the slider. So I've been using this for almost 2 years now. It's been great, but my daughter tipped over my tripod and it fell, and in a process, this is what happened. I think it's a little too small, yeah. So the actual cord or belt, it snapped from one of the sides. So I did contact Zeapon and they were kind enough to let me buy the belts. Belts were only $2 a piece, as in like, this is a one piece right here. But the shipping was $25. Anyway, this video is just going to be a quick demonstration or video on fixing or replacing this Zeapon belt. Yeah, this is the spare belt that they sent me. It came pretty quick. The customer service was awesome and they were pretty quick and swift about it. And because the shipping was very expensive, because it's coming from overseas, I just ordered 2, so 1 extra. So today I'm just gonna be changing one of the belt that got snapped. So all you need is like just a screwdriver, and what you have to do is, if you look inside, you see these 2 screws. That's the screw that is holding down on the belt. So on this slider, there's 2, which holds one, and this one holds the other one. And if you turn the other side on this thing, you'll also see the screw that's inside there. So basically, in order to remove one belt, you have to unscrew 2 of those. One from this side and one from the opposite side. So let's do that. Okay, so that is one. So just to show you guys, so if you have this screw right here on the back, this is actually how it's holding on to the belt. So the screw is actually holding the belt. So that's what I have to replace. So I'm gonna get the new belt, replace it with the same direction. Right here, like this, and screw it back in. Tighten them up. Tighten them pretty tight. Go. And because the belt got snapped, I need to unscrew the other part, so I can get this remaining part out. Turn it around. Be best to. It's a very simple process. There we go. So if you see it on the back, there's a piece of belt right here. I need to take it off. And then here I'm gonna turn this around and so this. There we go. And then okay, so this part is tricky because I gotta keep it so you just have to kind of pull it. It has to be tight. All right, so after I don't know how many hours, or not hours, how many minutes, but now the slider is back. There we go. Fix.